Welcome to Module 1 of our course, Library Marketing 101, Strategies for Engaging Your Audience. In this lesson, we will delve into the fascinating world of library marketing and explore the importance of promoting library services and resources to patrons. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's define library marketing. In simple terms, it's the strategic process of promoting library services and resources to our users. Our goal is to effectively communicate the value of the library and encourage increased usage of its offerings. Academic libraries face a unique challenge in the digital age: information overload. With an overwhelming amount of online resources available, our users may struggle to navigate through this vast sea of information. Consequently, they may not fully utilize the valuable and costly services provided by the library. So why is library marketing essential for academic institutions? Let's explore its significance in enhancing library services and the overall academic experience. It is not news that students often rely on the internet for primary research. However, they may not always find the most suitable and authoritative resources, settling for inferior ones instead. As a result, libraries must find ways to compete with the internet and ensure students are aware of their continued relevance in this highly technological age. Academic libraries invest significant resources in acquiring and maintaining valuable databases, research journals, and other digital resources. Effective marketing ensures that these investments are maximized by increasing user engagement and utilization. Library marketing helps increase user awareness of the range of services we offer. By effectively promoting our resources, events, and workshops, we can attract users who may not have been aware of the library's full potential. These users might not be aware that what they need for their success is available through a library service. As a result, library marketing often entails communicating to users services they might not know they will need in their studies or research. A well-crafted marketing strategy enhances the user experience. By providing tailored and relevant information, we can guide users to the right resources and services that best suit their academic needs. Marketing fosters stronger relationships with our users. Through engaging and informative communication, we build trust and credibility, leading to increased user loyalty and advocacy. One of our primary objectives is to encourage library use among students, faculty, and researchers. A strategic marketing approach helps break down barriers and encourages regular library visits and resource utilization. Libraries serve diverse user groups with varying needs and preferences. An effective marketing strategy ensures that our services are accessible and relevant to all users, regardless of their academic disciplines or backgrounds. Thank you for joining me in this brief introduction to library marketing, in this introductory lesson on library marketing. To summarize, library marketing is the strategic process of promoting library services and resources to users, aiming to communicate the library's value and increase usage. Academic libraries face overwhelming online resources, making marketing crucial in guiding users to the right resources. Effective marketing ensures valuable investments in databases and resources are maximized through increased user engagement. Marketing promotes library services, attracting users and tailoring services to their needs. A well-crafted marketing strategy provides tailored and relevant information, enhancing the user experience. Marketing fosters trust and credibility, leading to increased user loyalty and advocacy. Strategic marketing breaks barriers, encouraging regular library visits and resource utilization. Effective marketing ensures services are accessible and relevant to all users. By employing strategic marketing practices, academic libraries can become vibrant hubs of learning, meeting the diverse needs of their user community. In the next lesson, we'll explore understanding users and identifying target audiences. Stay tuned.